කිරීමට ලැබීම ගැන අපි සතුටු වෙමු. මෙම විශේෂ අවස්ථාව වෙසක් උත්සවයේ ආධ්‍යාත්මික වැදගත්කම ඉස්මතු කරනා පමණක් නොව අපගේ ප්‍රජාව සමගිය සහ එකමුතුකම ප්‍රදර්ශනය කරයි.
From the Sri Lankan Buddhist Association and the Aubrey Wodonga Sinhala Language School, it is my great pleasure and honour to warmly welcome you all to this special occasion. The Wodonga Multicultural Association. A warm welcome as well to our dear teachers, dear parents, members of the Sri Lankan community, and our local Australian friends and community members whose support and presence make this celebration even more meaningful. We cordially invite you all to come together in unity and joy as we celebrate our Bhaktiki and the Vesak Lantern Festival, an evening filled with devotion, light and cultural harmony. Thank you.
Our honour to warmly welcome our chief guest, Mayor Michael Goebel, to address the ceremony. We are truly grateful for his presence and look forward to his inspiring words.
මීළඟට අපගේ උත්සවය ඇමතීමට ප්‍රධාන ආරාධිතවතා වන මයිකල් ගර්බූ මහතාට ආරාධනා කරමු. ඔහුගේ පැමිණීම අපට ගෞරවයක් සහ ඒ ගැන අපි සැබවින් ස්තුතිවන්ත වෙමු.
What an incredible honour it is to be here today, to be part of this incredible celebration, the light ceremony, celebrating the birth, the enlightenment and the passing of Lord Buddha. But I'd also just like to say how beautiful it is to see so many people from the Sri Lankan Albury Wodonga community here today. You enrich our community. You add diversity with your culture, your food, your language, your values. So thank you so much for being such a beautiful part of our community. And I've been told there's 150 Sri Lankans in Albury Wodonga. I'd love to see that grow over time. And as Mayor, one of my great honours and privileges is to be able to swear in new migrants into Australia on Australia Day and on other citizenship ceremony days. And quite a number of them are Sri Lankan, and it's just beautiful seeing them become part of Australia as Australian citizens, but also becoming part of our community. So thank you very much today, and have a great ceremony. Thank you.
Thank you, sir. We have now come to one of the most special and touching moments of today's ceremony, as we celebrate the sacred Vesak festival, which marks the birth, enlightenment and passing away of Lord Buddha. We remember his great teachings of kindness, peace and wisdom. To honour this important day, our wonderful children from the Albury Wodonga Sinhala Language School are excited to present a Bhaktiki performance. These devotional songs are sung with love and respect for Lord Buddha. Please join us in warmly welcoming our young performers to the stage. Please give them a warm round of applause.
ආදරණීය වෙසක් උත්සවය සමරන අපි උන්වහන්සේගේ කරුණාව, සාමය සහ ප්‍රශ්නාව පිළිබඳ ශ්‍රේෂ්ඨ ඉගැන්වීම් සිහිපත් කරමු. මෙම වැදගත් දිනයට ගෞරව කිරීම සඳහා ඔබ්‍රි වඩොංග සිංහල භාෂා පාසලේ භක්තිගේ ප්‍රසංගය ඉදිරිපත් කිරීමටයි දැන් අපේ මේ සූදානම. ඉතින් මෙතෙන් සිට ඔවුන්ගේ භක්තිගේ ඉදිරිපත් කිරීමට අප ඔවුන්ට ආරාධනා කරමු. නොදැනෙන නොහැඟෙන හින්දයි මේ විමසන්නේ ඉතින් තවම ඇයි ඔබ මා දැකහි නැහෙන්නේ දරුවන් හෙට දෙනෙත් හෙලා හිමි වැඩ ඉන්නේ බොරු කිසි දින නොකරන නැනවි ළමයිනේ දරුවන් හෙට දෙනෙත් හෙලා හිමි වැඩ ඉන්නේ බොරු කිසි දින නොකරන